Hey, welcome to GT Canada. Today we are putting to rest a 15-year debate about tires and ice. So, just to catch you up to speed, about 15 years ago, me and Amanda were debating how good winter tires are. And I said I would never drive without proper winter tires again because they're so great. Well, we were out driving on a lake and
that was frozen. And she had her brand new Expedition and I had my old junky Chevy Suburban. My Expedition wasn't new.
But I had bought some used winter tires and she had, were your tires new?
Just all seasons.
But were they new?
No.
Third season, all season tires, and I had about 50% winter tires. They were Michelin X Ice tires. I don't know what her all seasons were, but we just drove beside each other at about 80 kilometers an hour, both smashed the brakes as hard as we could, and to my surprise, the Expedition stopped way faster than my Suburban did. And we falsely decided that winter tires actually aren't as great as we think they are. So today we have set up a much better test. And this test, I have brand new Blizzak DMV2 tires. If you haven't seen my video complaining about the purchasing experience of these tires at Costco, you can check that out over here. Amanda has brand new all-season tires.
MotoMaster.
They're MotoMaster all-weather tires. Also brand new. And one of my other complaints was she was driving a 2004 Ford Expedition, and I was driving a 1997 Chevy Suburban. There was a generational gap between those two, and I think the braking system on the 2005 was just that much better. I
had four-wheel disc brakes, you had drum on the back.
I had drum on the back. They're crappy brakes. So now she will be driving her GL 320, and I will be driving my wife's ML 550. Both Mercedes, both the same year, both the same everything, just the tires are different. So, to do this test, we came out to the world famous Ghost Lake in Alberta. Mitsubishi set 5 Guinness World Records at this very lake, and we are about to set a record of our own.
In our own mind.
So we are gonna set up for stopping distance tests, and we're gonna see if our cars, well, if the winter tires are really as good as I think, someone will be proved wrong here today.
It's gonna be you.
It's not gonna be me. I'm very confident. As you can see, Amanda's approach onto the racetrack here.
that was a mistake.
It was not going well right from the start. One thing that I really like doing, and I don't know why, I can't explain it. Hopefully I'm not the only one, but I love touching tires, winter tires, in the winter. You see how squishy that is? So it's -5 out right now, Celsius, and they're so squishy. I love squishing winter tires. Here, Amanda needs to get a squish on it. She didn't believe me. Now, if I go to her tires and I squish them, they're just not as squishy. I really think I got this in the bag. There's no way that these can be better. So also, before we get going on this, so I had a lot of reasons why my car wasn't up to the task last time. Do you have any reason why your car would not be performing at its top level today?
No.
I also have no reasons
that I know of anyway.
That I'm aware of currently why my car might not perform to the expectations that I have. So I believe that it is 100% ready for this test.
All right.
And yours is too.
Yep, let's go.
All right, so I've placed a Pennzoil oil marker at the stop line. We're gonna be coming straight off of that corner. I'm not sure how fast we're gonna do. I'm thinking we're gonna do about 50 kilometers an hour. Hit the brakes hard there, and we're just gonna record how long it takes to stop. The one who stops in the shortest distance, obviously, is the better tire. So that's the test. Very simple, very basic. I've done no real prep. The only prep I've done to get ready for this is I put the raise button on the car just to get the clearance up. I don't think I need better clearance, but we're gonna do the best of 3 just to make sure that we have the best run for each. And we're gonna make sure that somebody's watching this Pennzoil to see if there is any kind of a distance penalty that somebody will suffer because they broke late or something. Okay? We're broke early.
What's the target?
I'm thinking at least 40, but you want to be a sustained speed. If you're still accelerating when you get there, then that's too fast.
Right. Okay, well, I don't know. I might have to, this might not be a go. It might just be to see how fast I can get going.
I mean, if you want, just shoot for, I think you could be doing 50 by then.
We'll see.
It does have a bit of a bend to it. You gotta come out wide and then come straight at it.
Yeah, I know.
All right. Actual 45km/h stopping distance.
Way far, yeah. I could back up and then try it. I'm gonna try it. Stay there and I can do that.
So I can stop before I hit you in the time to stop.
So that'd be good.
Yeah. So there, Amanda's going. Lost. So there we have it. Definitive proof that winter tires are better on ice than all-season tires when they're new. Comparing new to new with similar vehicles. I don't think that it was a surprise, but at least you can see a real-world example of the kinds of distance difference that is. It's not as much of a difference as I thought it would be. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel below. It allows me to do stuff like this and show you the real things that you want to know about. While you're waiting for the next video to drop, check out some of the other videos over here. But until next time, have a great day.